Hi. After a long break of social distancing, I'll be conducting workshop again in person. In October, I'll be conducting 3-day workshop at the Ocean City Center for the Arts. It will be October 17, 18, and 19, 2022. This 3-day workshop, I'll cover the painting of 2 different kinds of flowers, lotus and peonies. On the first day, I'll focus on the painting on lotus. We will work on the structure of the flowers, and I'll show you different kind of brushwork to display the petals, the bold leaves, stems, and seed pods. And we will finish the day by adding a dragonfly, and I'll show you different ways of doing it so you can draw the dragonflies to be visiting the lotus flower. On the second day, we will be working on a different flower, the peonies. In the particular workshop, I will be painting the flower in different brushwork. So I'll show you a different set of brushwork to depict the flowers, the stems, and I will also show you how to use negative painting to paint the petals without painting it. It will look like this. And then on the third day, we will advance to the using of opaque watercolor and the chemistry between the opaque and transparent watercolor on rice paper to depict the same flower, peonies, but in a more delicate and dreamy way. This method is made famous by the Ningnan School of Art, and you will learn how to do that on the third day. Throughout the workshop, I will also include discussion on composition and design, the use of positive and negative space, how to apply a background wash, and also how to finish the painting and where to put the placement of your signature and the use of signature and leisure seal. So this is a 3-day action-packed workshop in person that you will benefit from if you are interested in the Sumi-e art. I would love to see you at the Ocean City Center for the Arts in October. See you and thank you. Bye-bye.